Moen Smart Water Monitor and Shutoff is an inline device that learns your home water usage and protects it from costly damage. When you purchase a smart water monitor and shutoff for your home, here's what you can expect when it's time for installation. Because the device needs to be installed in your home's water supply line, Moen recommends working with a licensed plumber for installation. Before the plumber arrives, here's what you need to do. First, you'll download the Moen Smart Water Network app and create an account. Once in the app, you'll complete a few simple steps to register and pair your new device. Now you can sit back, relax, and let the plumber take it from there. When your plumber arrives, they'll inspect your home's water lines to determine the best location for installing your device. Then they'll temporarily shut off your home's water supply and drain excess water from the lines. They'll cut a section of the water line, install the Flow Smart Water Monitor and Shutoff, and turn your water back on. Then, it's time to run a micro leak test from your Moen app to check your system for any leaks or issues that need to be addressed. If no leaks are detected, your initial installation is complete. After that, your device will go into learning mode for about 7 to 10 days to determine your home's typical water usage. Once learning mode is complete, you are now protected. Bring peace of mind to your home with the Moen Smart Water Monitor and Shutoff.